What if I told you that your body may be fighting abnormal cells every single day without you ever noticing? It might sound surprising, but researchers believe your immune system constantly identifies and removes damaged or potentially harmful cells before they become a bigger problem. So here's the real question. Why do some people stay healthy for years, while others develop serious diseases despite living similar lives? Scientists are discovering that the answer may involve something much bigger than genetics alone. Your immune system, your gut, your daily habits, and even the tiny microbes living inside your digestive system. Today's video explores exciting scientific discoveries about how your body's natural defense systems work, what current research suggests about reducing cancer risk, and simple lifestyle habits that may help support your overall health. Let's dive in. Most people think their body only reacts when they become sick, but that's not actually how it works. Every minute of every day, millions of cells divide inside your body. During this process, tiny mistakes can naturally occur. Most of these mistakes are harmless because your body has built-in repair systems that detect damaged cells and either repair or remove them before they become dangerous. Think of your body as a city. Every city needs police officers, firefighters, maintenance workers, and security guards. Your body works in a very similar way. Your immune system constantly patrols your body, looking for anything unusual. Viruses, bacteria, damaged cells, and even cells that begin behaving abnormally. In many cases, these abnormal cells are eliminated long before they ever cause noticeable health problems. This natural protection happens silently without you feeling anything. That's one reason scientists continue studying how to keep the immune system functioning at its best. That here's something many people never hear. Cell mutations are actually a normal part of life. Every day, your body experiences countless small changes as old cells die and new ones are created. Fortunately, your body has several powerful defense mechanisms working together. These include DNA repair systems, immune surveillance, controlled cell death, and many other protective biological processes. Together, these systems help maintain healthy tissues throughout your lifetime. When these defense systems remain strong, they can often deal with abnormal cells before they become a serious concern. But as we age, or when our bodies experience chronic stress, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, smoking, excessive alcohol use, or ongoing inflammation, these protective systems may not work as efficiently. That doesn't mean disease is guaranteed. It simply highlights why maintaining overall health becomes increasingly important as we get older. Many people think immunity only helps fight colds or the flu. In reality, it's far more sophisticated. Your immune system contains highly specialized cells that constantly communicate with one another. Some identify threats. Others send warning signals. Some destroy infected or damaged cells. Others remember previous invaders so they can respond faster the next time. It's an incredibly advanced defense network. Researchers continue exploring how this system interacts with many aspects of health, including cancer prevention, healthy aging, and recovery from illness. Current evidence suggests that supporting immune health through regular exercise, nutritious foods, quality sleep, stress management, and avoiding tobacco may contribute to better long-term health outcomes. Now here's where things become even more fascinating. Did you know that a large portion of your immune system is closely connected to your digestive tract? Inside your intestines live trillions of microorganisms. Together, they form what's called the gut microbiome. These microbes don't just help digest food. They also communicate with immune cells, influence inflammation, help produce important compounds, and play a role in maintaining the protective barrier inside your intestines. Scientists are discovering that maintaining a diverse and balanced gut microbiome may support many aspects of overall health. While research is still ongoing, this area has become one of the most exciting fields in modern medicine. Among the many bacteria living in the gut, one has attracted significant scientific attention. It's called Akkermansia muciniphila. Several studies suggest that higher levels of this naturally occurring bacterium are associated with better gut barrier function and healthier metabolic processes. Researchers are also investigating how it may influence immune responses in certain medical settings. It's important to understand that this doesn't mean the bacterium cures cancer or guarantees successful treatment. However, scientists continue studying its potential role in supporting healthy immune function. This is an exciting area of research, but much more needs to be learned before firm conclusions can be made. By now, scientists know that what you eat doesn't just feed your body. It also feeds the trillions of microbes living inside your digestive system. Some foods encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria, while others may reduce microbial diversity when eaten in excess. That's why many nutrition experts now focus on feeding your gut, not just your stomach. One bacterium receiving growing scientific attention is Akkermansia muciniphila. Rather than taking a magic supplement, researchers believe that creating the right environment inside your gut may naturally support beneficial microbes. So what kind of foods may help? Let's take a closer look. Several studies suggest that fruits rich in natural polyphenol may help support a healthier gut microbiome. These colorful plant compounds also act as antioxidants, helping protect cells from oxidative stress. Some examples include fresh pomegranates, unsweetened cranberry juice, fresh cranberries, dark grapes, blueberries, blackberries. These foods contain natural compounds that beneficial gut bacteria can use as fuel. Remember, no single food can prevent or treat cancer, but regularly eating a variety of fruits may help support overall health. Many herbs and spices contain natural plant chemicals being studied for their health benefits. For example, chili peppers contain capsaicin. Turmeric contains curcumin. Garlic provides sulfur-containing compounds. Ginger contains gingerols. Scientists continue studying how these natural compounds may influence inflammation, metabolism, and immune function. Adding moderate amounts of herbs and spices to a balanced diet is one simple way to increase dietary variety. Another interesting area of research involves fermented foods. These foods naturally contain beneficial microbes or compounds produced during fermentation. Examples include plain yogurt with live cultures, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, tempeh, fermented vegetables. While these foods aren't suitable for everyone, many people include them as part of a healthy eating pattern. Again, balance matters more than any single ingredient. Now let's talk about something that often flies under the radar. Inflammation. Not all inflammation is bad. In fact, short-term inflammation helps your body heal after injuries or infections. The problem begins when inflammation becomes chronic. Imagine a small campfire. Normally, it burns briefly before going out. But if someone keeps pouring fuel onto that fire, it grows larger. Scientists believe chronic inflammation may create an environment where many diseases become more likely over time. That's one reason maintaining a healthy lifestyle is so important. Many everyday habits may contribute to ongoing inflammation, including smoking, heavy alcohol consumption, highly processed diets, poor sleep, long-term stress, physical inactivity, excess body fat, especially around the waist. Over time, these factors may place additional stress on the body's natural defense systems. Here's something surprising. You don't have to appear overweight to carry unhealthy levels of internal body fat. Researchers sometimes call this skinny fat. Someone may look slim on the outside while carrying excess visceral fat around internal organs. Unlike the fat just beneath the skin, visceral fat is metabolically active. It releases inflammatory chemicals into the bloodstream. This ongoing inflammation may increase the risk of several chronic diseases. That's why maintaining a healthy body composition, not just body weight, is important. Many people think exercise is only about losing weight, but that's only one benefit. Regular physical activity may help improve immune function, reduce inflammation, support healthy blood sugar, improve circulation, maintain muscle mass, support mental health. Even a daily 30-minute walk can make a meaningful difference over time. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. You can eat well, exercise regularly, take supplements. But if your sleep is poor, your body loses valuable recovery time. During sleep, your immune system performs many important maintenance functions. Adults should aim for around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night whenever possible. Good sleep supports not only energy levels, but also immune health, metabolism, and brain function. Modern life is stressful. Occasional stress is normal, but constant stress may affect hormones that influence immune function. That's why experts often recommend stress management habits like walking outdoors, meditation, prayer, deep breathing, spending time with loved ones, listening to relaxing music. Simple daily habits can have a surprisingly positive effect on overall well-being. Let's explore another fascinating area of cancer research. Imagine planting a seed in dry soil. Without water, that seed can't grow. The same basic idea applies to tumors. As long as a cluster of abnormal cells remains extremely small, it has limited access to nutrients and oxygen. But once it begins growing, it needs a constant food supply. So where does that supply come from? Your blood vessels. Researchers have discovered that growing tumors can release chemical signals that encourage nearby blood vessels to grow toward them. This natural process is called angiogenesis, which simply means the formation of new blood vessels. Normally, angiogenesis is a healthy process. Your body uses it to heal wounds, repair damaged tissues, and support normal growth. But abnormal cells may also take advantage of this same system. That's why scientists have spent decades studying how angiogenesis works. Today, several approved cancer treatments are designed to block or slow this process in certain types of cancer. Researchers continue studying whether everyday lifestyle habits may help support the body's natural balance. While no food can stop tumor growth on its own, many plant foods contain naturally occurring compounds being investigated for their potential health benefits. Examples include green tea, black tea, coffee, tomatoes, broccoli, leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, beans, nuts, olive oil. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support overall health. Rather than focusing on one superfood, experts recommend eating a wide variety of colorful whole foods over time. Healthy habits work together, not individually. One of the biggest myths online is that a single drink, fruit, or supplement can eliminate cancer. Current scientific evidence simply does not support that claim. Cancer is a complex disease influenced by many factors, including genetics, age, environment, lifestyle, infections, and random cellular changes. No single food can prevent or cure it, but your daily choices can support the systems that help keep your body healthier over the long term. Think of health like building a house. One brick won't build it, but thousands of bricks placed consistently over time create something strong. Your habits work the same way. Let's bring everything together. Here are 5 practical habits supported by current health research. Fill your plate with vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, healthy fats, nuts, and lean protein. Aim for variety rather than perfection. Exercise doesn't have to be intense. Walking, cycling, swimming, strength training, even gardening counts. The goal is simply to move your body consistently. Your body performs many repair processes while you sleep. Try to maintain a regular sleep schedule whenever possible. These remain 2 of the most important lifestyle changes for reducing the risk of many serious diseases, including several types of cancer. Healthy living is important, but early detection saves lives. Routine screenings recommended by your healthcare provider can identify problems earlier, when treatment is often more effective. Never ignore unusual symptoms, and always seek professional medical advice if something doesn't feel right. Subscribe for more evidence-based videos on healthy aging, nutrition, and disease prevention. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.